guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, I wanted to give you guys a little care guide on the oh so easy Italian ice rose. So a while back, the amazing Great Garden Plants company sent me over a few samples for me to trial this year, and so I did plant them up in bigger containers, and they are looking very good right now. And so I already made a video on the blue and pink chiffon Rosa Sharons. I just have 2 more plants to showcase and feature for them. I'm so sorry I've been delayed because school has been coming up and all these types of things, and so I was able to have time today to film a video. And so here we go. So here I have the oh so easy Italian ice rose. So let me bring it up for you guys to see. So here it is. So it has put on so much growth. I am super happy on the outcome of it, because it was just this little tiny plant and now it's going to be this big rose bush. Let me see if the tag's around here, because I remember having the tag on it, but it looks like it might have left over there where I had the plant stored. So let me go ahead and go quickly get the tag, and let me go ahead and start this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at the first point is sunlight exposure or light exposure. So here in the pamphlet, it states that it's a full sun location plant. So in this pamphlet, it says sun to part sun or to full shade. This plant, like all roses, are full sun location plants. Here in South Florida, our heat and our humidity levels are extreme, and roses are so adaptable and so hardy that they're already used to those temperatures. And even though that Great Garden Plants actual factory, or where they are at, is not here in South Florida, and they do have winters where they are at, it had to adjust to our climate zone, but it did amazing. All of these plants did great adjusting to our climate zone. And so this was placed in a full sun location. I still don't have a confirmed area to put it. So once it comes to the day of them all having areas, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So coming at point number 2, which is feature or characteristics, which is in the pamphlet, it says the 2 facts that it gives is that it has continuous blooms, meaning that it's always blooming until, you know, all flowering seasons, or all roses here in South Florida flower all year round because we don't have a winter. And so I'm hoping that's what it is. It's out of bloom right now, so yeah, it's taking a break. It's disease resistant, meaning that it's very unlikely to get a disease because it's a rose. Usually all roses are very disease resistant, but I do see that most roses do get aphids in our area, and so, you know, that's a little downfall, but they're very resilient to aphids and any other diseases. So the season of interest is summer or fall. So when it means by season of interest, meaning those are the seasons that they're gonna be in their prime. So when it's winter and spring in other zones, that's not when it's gonna be in their prime. But when it comes summer and fall, that's the best interest for you guys to get them, because that's when they're in their full show and their full prime. And so when it comes to the oh so easy Italian ice roses, you have to get them around summer or fall, or you could get them beforehand in spring. So when it comes to summer and fall, you have the plant planted and its show starts to commence. So the uses for the oh so easy Italian ice rose is for borders, containers, mass planting, and low edges. And so all of these are great uses for roses, all in particular. But the oh so easy Italian ice rose is a slow grower. It's not those over wild rose bushes like I have in the garden. This is a more slow growing, more petite size rose, which I absolutely love. And I definitely got a few blooms here and there of the oh so easy Italian ice rose. I'm gonna pop up a photo up on how the bloom looked like. I know the flower is very small, but it's because the plant's small and not mature yet, and so once it's planted in the ground, that's when we should see bigger flowers. So the hardiness zones are 4 through 9, and if you guys know, this is a zone 10B, but the oh so easy could be a little bit extended to the 10B climate if we're giving it water every single day, water every single 2 days, and fertilize every single month, then it should do well in our area. So the size of the rose bush is 1.5 to 2.5, I'm believing, feet tall and wide, because they don't have the feet or the inches symbol, so I'm guessing it's feet. the spacing. So if you have more than one Also Easy Italian Ice roses that you want to plant them as an edge, the recommended spacing is 1.5 through 1.3. I'm thinking feet in spacing. If I have any of this information wrong, I'm gonna correct myself in the description box below, or I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. The soil or water, so it is great and well draining soil, and the soil has to be moist, which is for in general of all roses, that's what they like. Pruning is spring, meaning when it comes spring, that's when you prune your roses so they can come back flusher and with way more blooms. And the deer resistant is low, meaning that this is not very deer resistant, or meaning that the deers don't come to it as often. Either one of those things, that it's deer resistant or it's not. And so it could be either one thing, but I'll pop up the correct information on the screen if I'm mistaken once again. So that was all that information in this little tiny pamphlet. So a huge shout out to Great Garden Plants for partnering with us on this video. They did send the plant out for me to try this year and make videos on. So a huge shout out to them. Huge disclosure, no, this is not a sponsor video. This is just a promotion video. They sent me the free product. This is not a paid promotion video. So once again, this is the care guide on the Also Easy Italian Ice Rose. So let me go ahead and wrap up the video for you guys. So ultimate gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, I did an entire care guide or an entire tutorial on the Also Easy rose, or the Also Easy Italian Ice roses. Another thing I forgot to mention is that the Also Easy Italian Ice roses do not require deadheading to constantly bloom. That's the good thing about the flowers. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.